Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your maths lecture of grade 3rd, and I am your maths teacher Aparna Pandey from Ardent Progressive School, Lamachar. So student, as you all know that we have completed our maths syllabus, we have completed all the things till chapter 14 in maths, right? So now it's time to start our revision. So from today we are going to start our revision videos. Here students, in revision part, instead of doing revision according to the chapter number, first we are going to clear the basics of all the sums that we have done in our syllabus. Means in math syllabus you have done addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then conversion, so many things we have done. So in revision video, instead of going for the particular chapter, here we will learn the basic things first, because many of the students are still facing problem in the basic things. So instead of going directly in a chapter, first we are going to discuss the basic things like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and then conversions. In this way we will do our revision work. So student, according to this, our today's class is based on revision of addition. In today's class, we will revise how to do addition. Though addition is not a new concept for all of us, because we have done several times addition, but many times what happens that we do mistake. So in this revision video again we will see that what are the things, what are the tricks, what are the methods by which we can skip the mistakes, okay, by which we can do things properly. So students, you can see that here I have given some addition sums, right, like revision addition, and here this addition, this is addition, this is the addition of rupees and paise. Then you can see that here I have written one more sum, it is related to kilogram and gram, and then you can see here one sum more I have written here that is related to liters and milliliters. So I hope now you all are getting what I want to say, that in this video we are going to do addition of the types addition that we have done in our whole syllabus. In final terms we are going to revise them, particularly addition video, okay. Now see, first one we are going to do the simple addition. You can see here one number is given, this is 6348 and another number is 1479. So before doing addition, what we have to do, we can put the places here so that we can do addition properly. Okay, what are the places? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. What we will write here? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now as we have written ones, tens, hundred, thousand, now it is clear that 8 and 9 both are in the ones place, 7 and 4 both are in the tens place, 4 and 3 both are in the hundreds place, and 6 and 1 both are in the thousands place. Okay. Now let's start addition. How you will add? See. Acha, you can do one more thing, that you can write this in little gap so that we can get proper area for writing carry also. Okay. Now this is 9 and this is 8. So how we will add? 9 and 8. You have to count after 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. What we are getting? 17. Again we can count after 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. What we are getting? 17. So what we will write here? We will write here 7 and 1 will go carry. 1 will go carry. Now 7 plus 4, after 7, count after 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. This is 4 and 1 is carry, so we will add this 1 also. So 7 plus 4 is 11 and 1 12. Again you can try 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and plus 1 is 12. So what we are getting? 12. What we will write here? 2 and the 1 will go carry. Now this is 4, this is 3, this is 1. So we have to add all these 3, 4, 3 and 1. But we will get 4, count after 4, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 is 8. So what will come here? 8. 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is 8. No number is carried here, so simply we can add 6 plus 1, but we are getting 7. So what is the answer? 7827. Why we have not written any number here? Because we are not getting any carry. So just simply we can write 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is the simple way of doing addition, and the most simplest number is here 6348, 1478, and when we have done addition, what answer we are getting? 7827. Now in the same manner we have to do addition of next one. So first we will put the places ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, but we have written ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So what is the number? 2837 and 2045. Why we are saying 2045 directly? Because in place of 100 0 is there. So we will not say any number in place of 100. We will say 2045. So what are the numbers? 2837 and 2045. We have to add both the number and we have written places. So let's start counting. Count after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. But we are getting 12. After 7 till 5 we have to count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what we will write? We will write 2 here and 1 will come carry. Now again we can add 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1. But will be it 8. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 8. Now see student. During addition, when we have 0, then at the time of adding the number comes as it is. So it is 8. So simply we will write 8 here. No addition, no subtraction, nothing will be there because 0 means nothing. If suppose you are adding 0 or you are subtracting 0 means you are not doing anything with that number. But during subtraction we have to check that number should be in a smaller place. Here in addition we have no need to check anything, simply we can write. So this is 8 and 0, after addition we will get 8 here. And then 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the answer? 4882 is the answer. What is the answer? 4882. Now let's see this one. Now in this student you can see that I am not writing places again. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand I am not putting. If you want to put you can put, but because this is a question related to rupees and paisa, so we are not putting here ones, tens and hundred. Because at the places we have written here we have divided the rupee one in rupee column and the paisa one is in paisa column. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition. This is 637 rupees and 65 paise, but it is 637 rupees and 65 paise, and this is 94 rupees and 00 paise. Now so let's do addition. 5 will come as it is because we have to add 0 and 0. Adding 0 means nothing. We are not adding anything. So simply 5 will come here and 6 will also come as it is. Now here I have told you in previous videos that in case of rupees and paisa how we differentiate between them. We used to put point or we can say decimal. So we are putting this decimal point here and in this way we are differentiating between the rupees and paisa. Now let's do addition. 7 plus 4, count after 7, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. But we are getting 11. So but we are putting 1 here and 1 will go carry. Again you can check 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So of 11, 1 I have written, 1 is carry. Now let's add this one. Count after 9, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 1 will be 13. 9 plus 3 is 12 and when we are adding 1 in that it is becoming 13 and 3 is here and again 1 will be carry. And 6 plus 1 is 7 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So what answer we are getting? We are getting rupees 731 and 65 paise. when we have done addition of 637 rupees and 65 paisa and 94 rupees and 0 paisa, then answer we are getting is 731 rupees and 65 paise. Okay students, now let's see how to do another type of addition. What it is given? It is given 31 kg, 268 gram and 49 kg, 872 gram. In this addition, we have to do addition of kilogram and gram. So first what we have to do? First we have to put the columns of gram and kilogram. So that we make one column here. Suppose this is kilogram and this is gram. Okay. We have to make the column of kilogram and gram. Now, what is given in gram part? It is 31 kg. So in gram kg part I am writing 31 here. And then what is given in 31 kg with gram is given 268. So along with this only I will write 268. आप बेटा क्या मिस्टेक करते हैं? When you people are doing, तो आप यहाँ का 31 लिख के यहाँ का 872. No, you don't have to do like this. You have to write the full number together. ये 31 kg है तो 31 kg और जो ग्राम इसके साथ दिया like 268. So that 268 you have to write along with that 31 only. Okay. Then next is 49 and 872. So 49 and 872. Now what we have to do? Now we have to do addition. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition. So in this way we can do. This is gram part and this is kilogram part. Now when we will add, what we will get? This is 49 and 872. 49 and 872. So after addition what we are getting? Let's see. Start adding this. 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So what we will put? 0 we will write here and what we will get? This is 0 of 10 and then 1 is carry. 6 plus 1 is 7 and when we will add 7 plus 7 it will be 14. So 4 and 1 is carry. Then 8 plus 2 is 10. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 11 is 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. Now see student, instead of writing complete 11, what you will do? You will write 1 and 1 will go carry here. Many of the students do such type of mistake that suppose they are getting 11 in the place of gram, so they are putting complete 11 here. No. In this way we cannot do. Because grams में देखो 100 पूरे digits हैं. अगर इसमें 100 digits नहीं होते तो हम यहीं पे लिख देते हैं, but because 100 digits हैं तो जो अब हमारा carry आया that will go here only. So 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 and 1 is carry. Now let's add this one. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. So 1 and 1 is carry. Again 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 8. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 81 kilogram and 140 gram. What answer we are getting? We are getting answer is our 81 kilogram and 140 gram. This is our answer, 81 kilogram and 140 gram. How we have done? Simply we have written the kilogram one part is in kilogram, the gram one part is in gram, and whatever gram is given with kilogram we are writing that together only. ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ 31 और फिर यहाँ 268. No. 31 के साथ अगर 268 gram दिया है, so we have to write 31 here and then we will put 268. Okay, one thing. Now let's see another one of liters and milliliters. Same thing you have to do. What it is? 27 milliliter, 27 liter, 950 milliliter and 10 liter, 65 milliliter. But it is 10 liter and 65 milliliter. This is only given 10 liter and 65 milliliter. Okay. So let's solve this. Now you know how to do. This is 27 liter 950 milliliter and 10 liter 65 milliliter. Foremost thing is that we will make column for liter and milliliter. सबसे पहले हमें क्या कर देना है बेटा, कॉलम बना देना है of liter and milliliter. Next again the thing which I said you have to remember the kilogram and gram part you have to put together in the same way here. Whatever the liter is given, along with that whatever the milliliter is given, you have to write the same here. So students, here in liter and milliliter again what you have to remember that when you are putting liter, along with that you have to put milliliter also. Don't change that. Either the sum will become wrong, the answer will come wrong. Okay. This answer will also not come wrong because in addition we will get the same answer, but systematically it will become wrong. Okay, question will be changed. So let's see now it is 27 liter 950 milliliter. So let's put 27 here and 950 here. Okay. Then next 10 liter and 65 milliliter. This is 10. Now see it is saying 65 milliliter and here we have ones tens in 100 place, but in this 65 milliliter is given, so 65 does not contain any number of hundreds place. 65 में hundreds place का कोई number नहीं है. So what we will put? We will put 65 here, and in place of hundreds we will put 0, and in place of hundreds we will put 0. After that what we have to do? After that we have to do addition. So what? Let's add this. This will be 5 only because I told you addition. We don't have to do anything with 0. 5, if 0 is given means simply the number will come. So this is 5. Now 6 plus 5. Count after 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. But we are getting 11. So for 11 we will write this 1 and 1 will be carrying. Now add 9 plus 1 is 10. Because 0 means no number. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10, 0 and then again 1 will be carrying. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So what answer we are getting? We are getting 38 liter and 15 milliliter. What answer we are getting? 38 liter and 15 milliliter. 38 liter and 15 milliliter. This is the answer of this, and you should not write any between. Okay, simply if suppose we are asking what is the answer, so you will write 38 liter and 15 milliliter. 38 liter 15 milliliter. In this way you have to write. Don't write A and B and there. Okay. So now we have done how we have to do. This is the simple addition. This is also simple addition. Very easy. In this one rupee and paisa we have to make the columns for rupees and paise, and here we have to put decimal also there because decimal differentiates between the rupees and paise. After that it is given here. So here what we have done here, 31 kg 268 gram and 49 kg 872 gram is given. In this we have made the columns of the kilogram and gram, and after that we have done addition. In addition, whatever we are getting we have written here. When it is coming more than 100 then we have written that number in carry form. Complete number यहाँ पे नहीं लिखेंगे, उसे हमने carry form में डाल दिया. Then again we are adding 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry and then 4 for 8. In this way we have done, and the same thing is for the liters and milliliters. There also we have made a column particular, and in that particular column we have done addition. So students, as we have done one video of addition, so I hope that now you people can revise addition, and particularly from this video it will become very easy for you to revise because you will get the concept of addition in different parts, right? So I hope that you all will learn how to do addition, and you have already learned, but I hope that this video will help in revision of the addition. I hope you all will like this video. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.